Today I'm going to go over how to change the rear windshield wiper on a 6th generation Subaru Outback. So we come back here. This is good from 2020 all the way to 2025. This is our windshield wiper blade, and actually most Subarus are exactly the same. If it looks like this, it's probably the same, but be gentle. Be gentle. So this, we rotate this here, and then there's kind of like, you'll feel some resistance, and then it pops right out there. This is a D-style clip, and that just fits into this arm like so. Boom, just like that. Then twist, you'll feel a little pressure, and then it pops into place. Now, a couple things. Make sure when you put a new windshield wiper on, clean your glass. Super important. So that first couple wipes of the blade, it's not just picking up dirt and starting to degrade that rubber. I'll put a link in the description for this wiper blade. But that is how you do a windshield wiper blade on a Subaru Outback. This is a 2025, but this is the same from 2020 all the way to 2025. And real quick, this pops up, I'll do it again. This goes to 90 degrees, and there's a little kind of pressure pop that you'll feel. Comes out like that. Then to make sure you're getting it back in, it slips in kind of at an angle, then make sure you're in. If it's not in all the way on this back piece, it won't clip in, and then it just takes a little bit of pressure, and that's how you do it. If this was helpful, give a thumbs up. We'll see you next time.